Here's how to tie the Double Alpine Butterfly Loop. It's super useful to know because it creates two very strong loops in the middle of the rope, which can be used as anchor points or to tension the rope sideways. And the best part about them is that you can use each loop separately or keep them completely empty, and the knot won't unravel by itself when it's pulled. Wrap the rope around your hand one full turn, leaving a large gap in between them. Now do 2 additional turns downwards in between them. Now take the 2 top loops and go over and underneath the 2 bottom strands that form an X. Take out your hand and pull on the ends to finish the knot. But before using it, make sure to tighten and dress it very tightly so that the loops don't come undone when they're pulled. Here's how to tie the Alpine Butterfly Bend. Take the end of the first rope and wrap it around your left hand once and place the end between your 2 fingers like this. Now take the end of the second rope, place it next to the first one and wrap it around once again like this so that both ends cross over here. Finally, take the ends of both ropes with your other hand, place them over and underneath the 2 bottom strands to finish the knot. Use it anytime you need to connect 2 ropes. It's very secure and super easy to learn, which is why it's a really useful knot to know. You can even use it for critical situations like climbing, but remember to keep the tag ends pretty long to account for slippage while the knot settles in. To learn other useful knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.